Hello everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking chickpeas curry chicken with garlic flatbread. So come, let's join Aunty. Alright friends, these are the ingredients that Aunty gonna use for today's cooking. And of course the main ingredient are chicken. This one I already chopped into pieces. And turmeric powder, as well as garlic and ginger pounded, and of course salt and a little bit of ajinomoto. Okay, stay tuned guys. Okay, I'm gonna marinate this with turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, and 4 teaspoon. These are the garlic and the ginger I pounded already. The garlic I use about 3 cloves, and this one ajinomoto 1 teaspoon, and then salt about 2 teaspoon, and also a little bit of cooking oil. Alright, we mix it. I leave it to marinate for about 10 minutes, and later on I'm going to deep fry this chicken. So this is Auntie style of cooking chicken curry. Okay, 10 minutes already has been marinated. So now I want to deep fry the chicken. Okay. Cover it. Let it fully cook. So stay tuned guys. Okay, let's turn it. Alright, continue to deep fry. So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use to cook this curry chicken. I have 1 bulb of garlic, and then 6 shallot, and few slices of ginger, and black peppercorn I'm gonna pound later. And this one is meat curry powder, and this one is fennel, this one coriander powder, turmeric powder, and this one is cumin powder, and of course this one is cinnamon stick, star anise, and some more spices I'm gonna use to cook all this later on, to cook the chicken curry. So stay tuned guys. Okay, let's start cooking. I'm using the cooking oil that I used to deep fry the chicken, because I like the aroma of the chicken that has been deep fried. Okay. So these are the ingredients that I already blend. This has been blended. I want it to be fine, so I use blender. bay leaves, and spices, cinnamon stick, star anise, cardamom, and this one is fennel, coriander, and cumin. As usual, I like to put salt when I do cooking. I mean when I stir fry the ingredient to enhance the aroma of all the ingredients. Alright, then I will add in the meat curry powder. Together with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Aunty make this curry a bit sticky, not too watery. Let it continue to simmer. One teaspoon of salt, and Ajinomoto, and some sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. And about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And some coconut milk. If you want it to be more salty, then you might as well add some more salt. But curry, if it is not up to that taste, it doesn't taste good. You have to add more salt. Okay, another spoon of sugar. That means 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto, and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and about 120 ml coconut milk. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna add in the chicken that already deep fried and let it slowly simmer The taste is good with the blend of tomato sauce and coconut milk. Okay, let it slowly cook. Okay, it's time to add some chickpeas. All right. Okay, that's it. Just mix it. All right, done. Okay, this is the process of making flatbread. Alright friends, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking. Chickpeas curry chicken with garlic flatbread. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.